Right, today I'm going to be showing you how to do the oil reset maintenance light on a Toyota Prius. Now this is kind of similar for all of them. And in particular, this one's a 2011. So basically what you got to do is sometimes you got to have your trip on A, or you have to have the on the odometer. So we're going to press and hold the miles per hour button. So it's going to be this little button right above the hour, minutes, and the 0 clock. So press and hold that, and then press the power button twice. And then you should have a little maintenance. All right, let me see. I got to probably switch this over to. So you gotta, yeah, this one you gotta switch over to trip A. So we're gonna press this button right here, the trip, and then we're gonna put that on A. Turn off the vehicle, and then we're gonna press and hold the miles per hour, and then press the power button twice, to where everything illuminates. And as you can see, oil maintenance data is resetting. So once that's completed, then bam, you're all said and done. If this video helped you out, give it a thumbs up, comment down below if you have any questions, and hit that subscribe button for more upcoming videos in the future. And thanks for watching.